Here I have the G4 1602s with me, 2 blades, and I'm gonna just show you how to attach them to your handpiece properly, okay? So obviously there is a left-hand side, and a right-hand side when it comes to the blades. And you wanna start off with the handpiece like, so you see the little logo facing up, right? And then it's real simple. You just grab your blade and insert them all the way into the handpiece. See how that looks? That's all the way inserted. What you don't want to do is, for example, insert your blade this way or this way. You want to make sure the left hand side goes into the left hand side. And the other point is, you don't want to do that. That is not in all the way. What you want to do, you see this U-shaped lip that is on the handpiece. You'll see it on both sides. So let me take this off. There's a U-shaped lip on both sides of the handpiece. You want to make sure that U lines up to this U-shaped area of the blade itself. So that means you just insert it all the way in till it goes in all the way like so. What you don't want is anything that looks like that. You see how that lip, U-shaped lip, is not all the way up to the U-shaped section of the handpiece, of the blade, sorry. So that means that the blades are not in all the way.